Hello, Jim from TechBuzz. Some new products in today. Just going to give you a quick unboxing and then we'll have a review later on. So this is Switchbot, and it makes your curtains smart. So imagine that you have your standard curtains at home. You can make these smart by using this product here and using an app, which is pretty cool. It also works with Alexa and Google and IFTT and all that kind of stuff there. 30 seconds to install. You can schedule, touch and go, and you have your circumference diameter there. And on the back here, you have other options here. So you can set them to wake up, to open up in the mornings, anti-theft and all that kind of stuff here, which is really cool. And it's all integrated with a hub. And you get an app, install onto your curtains and calibrate. Simple as that. So we've got two here. And we've also got a thermometer and hygrometer. We have got a Hub Mini. We have got a remote, and we also have got a solar panel. So all pretty good. So we'll start with this, and we'll open up the solar panel first. And the solar panel is harvest power from the sun, a few hours sunlight every day, and keep your Switchbot charged around the clock. So that's pretty much it there. All the information on the back. And you get your booklet here and your solar panel here. USB-C, does look like a phone from the front, and that's pretty much it there. And you do have this little guy here, and you have some sticky pads and all that kind of stuff there. So that's pretty much how it's going to work there, and pretty simple. And there you go, that's it there. So pop that to one side. Next up is the hub, or the Switchbot remote, should I say. And nice little small remote, sticky back there, and you basically have a sticker on the back. You can stick it wherever you want to do if you need to do, and you have your buttons here like so. Again, pretty neat. And a spare sticker inside, and a plaque-like instrument there. So we'll pop that to one side, and of course your instruction book in there. Next up is the Switchbot Hub Mini. So you can schedule, control on the go, and it works with a hands-free smart speaker. And that's pretty much there. You get your app on both there. So you get your USB cable here, micro USB to USB-A, and sticker there. And you get the hub itself, which is simply that, 4 soft feet on the bottom there, and that's pretty much it. And there's a plug in there. So all pretty simple setup by the looks of things. Next up is the thermometer. So this has got a 24/7 high accuracy and alert, CSV export, stand and mount, and home automation hub required. So you can't just use this on its own, which is pretty. It's a nice little thing to have in your house if you couldn't use it on its own. But it is what it is. It's all part of an ecosystem, which is fine. So that's basically it there, and simple again to get going. And you get a battery included, which is nice. You get your 3M stickers there and all that kind of stuff to mount it, and that's it there. In the flesh, you got a button on the back. You'll pop your battery in there. Nice little gadget. And pop all that back in there. And finally, we have got the actual curtain itself. So we're going to our curtain hole adapter. Out you come. So this is what's going to look like, and let this pop out here. So you got your instruction book there. In here we get all our little bits and pieces. You got your cable and you get your clips. So that's pretty much it in there. And here is the main apparatus. So this will hook onto your existing rail. And that's pretty much it there. So yeah, your charging port there, you've got an LED light there, and this can adjust up and down here like so. And you can see there's little wheels on the inside there to roll along the top, and one here as well, as you can see there. So you know what's going to happen. It's going to be running along like this, and your curtains will be hanging down, which is pretty nice. So you can just remove this here to get the fixture right on either side. And that's pretty much it. Stay tuned for a full review coming soon at techbuzzireland.com. And any questions, feel free to ask. It's a nice little setup for the house if you've got curtains. You want to make your house a little bit smart. This is certainly one idea how to do it. I like the idea, and pretty neat idea it is indeed. So see you soon. Talk to you the next one.